Hello everyone, it's Amabel. Welcome to the How to Draw channel. Today, we'll explore how to draw 3 fun details: 2 feet, a bottle of toenail polish, and a pair of flip-flops. Let's draw and paint together. First, we are drawing the toes of the left foot. We are drawing the nails of the toes. Next, we are drawing the toes of the right foot. A foot usually has 5 toes, high toes, low toes, and different sizes, so we draw them differently. Next, we're drawing a pair of flip-flops. This pair of flip-flops has a 5-petal flower attached. We will color the flip-flops and the flower in many different colors. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing better. Now we are drawing a bottle of toenail polish. Please color the picture to make it more vivid. We're painting the toenails red. We are coloring the skin of the feet. I really like drawing and coloring pictures. Please draw and color pictures with me. Have fun and enjoy drawing. It doesn't have to be perfect.
Green. Pink. Blue.
We will color these flip-flops with many colors such as green, pink, red, yellow, purple.
Red. Yellow.
Purple.
Please color the picture to make it more vivid. You can choose your favorite color. Remember to use your imagination and creativity.
Red.
Now the picture is very beautiful, isn't it? I hope this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the How to Draw channel. See you in the next video.